Hey guys, this is my another G-Shock, G Steel tough solar analog digital men's watch. The model number is GST-S120L-1BDR. I will be giving in the descriptions. This I'm going to open this, how it's gonna look. So here it's yeah, I'm good. It's a G Steel design box. It's completely like a gray color. So I'm gonna open this. Yes, and the warranty card. And I'm going to take this. This is the leather strap, I guess. Wow, it's cool, really. I think it's completely the radius. Radium is reflection, I guess, in the right time. If you check, I have to check in the price is around $300. Okay, so I don't know how it's just gonna open this. Yes. So it's cool. It's completely unlocked, and as usual, like just here we have this 4 buttons. It's cool. Strap and all is good. I liked it, and I'm gonna try this. I'm wearing. I think it will be good when you're wearing at night time if you're going for any parties or any functions. I think the radius reflections will be there. And yeah, it's really cool. See how this, I like it very much. So if you want to buy this, I will be giving the Amazon descriptions. You can buy there, and if you buy it in Joma shop, it will be the way price will be very less. I'm gonna check in the job place. This is how it's gonna look. Going to check in the job place. So seeing the two I'm not sure. Yes, it's showing actually. See the radius, sorry, the radium, the exact shows. I think it should be completely dark, but even in my room I'm seeing some lights. See the lights and all. If I switch on this light, see when I'm in the dark, I'm going to switch on this light. See this? See, it's blinking. It's really cool. I like this watch. So guys, if you really want to buy this, like to buy this watch, really please buy this. I like it very much. The shape of this, the color, but when I checked in online, it was showing that it's a brown, the bell color. So but here it's like a slightly the saturation of brown, orange and brown. So I think I like it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please provide your comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye.